Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. And that's about one of our favorite When Calls the Heart actor Kevin McGarry. Popularly known as Nathan, as McGarry teases his character Nathan's future on When Calls the Heart Season 9. Do watch this video till the end to know everything. We are all aware that the filming of When Calls the Heart Season 9 on Hallmark is nearing its conclusion. So the cast and crew are beginning to share some more details about what the fans can expect in the new season. For this, Kevin McGarry, who stars as Nathan, and Andrea Brooks, who stars as Faith, recently shared some exciting tidbits about the new season. Kevin McGarry said that the new season will venture into new territory. In an interview with When Calls the Heart star, McGarry shared some details about what to expect in the new season. McGarry said about Season 9, "Feeling pretty excited, feeling pretty good. I think When Calls the Heart is going to be venturing into new territory this year, and it's one of the freshest season, I think." McGarry recently also shared a happy birthday post on Instagram to his girlfriend Kayla Wallace, who also stars on When Calls the Heart. You can learn more about their relationship in our older videos. Similarly, Andrea Brooks said that the drama from Season 8 will carry over. Brooks meanwhile hinted that some drama for Season 8 will carry over into the new season. In a shared snippet of her interview with Brooks in her Instagram story for her account, it's not clear if Brooks was referring to the Nathan Elizabeth Lucas drama, the ending where Carson and Faith broke up, or another storyline. Brooks said, "The stakes are always high on this show. Absolutely. But knowing what we know from Season 8, there are some struggles that trickled into this year. So you have that added drama." On November 5, Brooks shared a video from the set of When Calls the Heart while a rainbow shined brightly over Hope Valley. Jonathan Newmar, who stars as Molly, also shared photos of how beautiful the set is looking in Jamestown. You guys can also look after another rainbow photo. Similarly, there's a beautiful photo of the church at night. Newmar also shared a photo of the menu at the cafe. Director Peter DeLuise recently shared a behind-the-scenes look at the infirmary. In another behind-the-scenes moment, he revealed how they make floor look dry after a rainfall. Here's what the saloon looks like during a lunch break. Now talking about the filming, it is getting close to wrapping up. Kate Gajdozik wrote on Twitter, "Wrapping up my last behind-the-scenes shoot today on the set of When Calls the Heart. From Season 1 until today, it remains a huge pleasure to work with this amazing cast and crew. Thank you everyone." In a Twitter post, executive producer Brian Bird also revealed that Season 9 is going to have 12 episodes, just like Season 8 did. Most seasons prior to this only had 10 episodes each at the most. There has been no word about a When Calls the Heart Christmas movie this year. There will be 2-part Christmas episode for the spin-off When Hope Calls, airing on December 18 on GSE Family. He wrote, "Not only did production start today on Season 9 of When Calls the Heart, but there's more big news. As Hearties can look forward to not 10 new episodes but 12. You spoke loudly in Season 8 with the best ratings in our history, so your voice has been heard." When asked during an Instagram Q&A about the return of When Calls the Heart, Erin Krakow Elizabeth shared that the series will probably return in February 2022. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of When Calls the Heart as it comes in. We will have all the burning When Calls the Heart spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.